बेसिकली आई एम ऑल्सो अ फैशन डिजाइनर. सो हमारे एक फ्रेंड है जो एक फैशन बुटीक चलाती है. नॉर्मली आई गिव हर आइडियाज फॉर ऑल द वेस्ट मटेरियल. आधा मीटर, पौना मीटर, 1 मीटर जो बचता है उसके लिए कुछ आइडिया देके शी मेक्स कॉम्बिनेशन रिलेटेड कुछ भी कपड़े उपड़े बनाती है. एंड शी इज वेरी हैप्पी. लाइक टेस्ट फ्रॉम वेस्ट करके मैंने उसका नाम रखा है. आई नॉर्मली डू ऑल दोस थिंग्स एंड आई मेक दोस पोटलीज एंड पाउचेस एंड दिस एंड दैट. So with all that, I don't know, she felt very happy, I think. कल उसने मुझे 5 salwar kurtas and 1 top she made on her own and she gave it to me for my birthday. For my birthday, advance gift for my birthday.
When is your birthday?
19th.
Oh, 19th. All right. 2 more days to go. Wow, superb.
So
nice.
I normally I spend about what 8 to 10K on clothes and all that. So इस बार बच गया.
That's what.
So see, money saved is money earned.
Money earned, absolutely. That's what.
And what? 5 जोड़ी कपड़ा हो गया ना नया.
Correct. Very nice. Superb.
चलो. That's what I thought. I'll just we should celebrate, no? Even
absolutely,
every
yeah,
small...
you should celebrate everything. Even a small penny if you get from someone, you should celebrate that.
और आपको फोटो भी तो भेजना चाहिए कपड़ा पहन के वो ना ड्रेस्ड अप. तो प्लेस करेंगे.
ठीक है. ओके.
So I guess now everyone is over here. Everyone is seated, right, at their place. Just type in so that I can start off.
Yes, we can start.
Super, great. So guys, today what I'm going to do is that I'm going to teach you 10 power rules of money. Again, you can write down these things. Okay? So the very first power rule of money is that make every rupee or your every penny or your dollar accountable. When I say this, like you need to make every rupee or your penny or your dollar accountable, is like you need to be very clear. You should have a very clear idea of exactly what is coming in your account and what is going out. It is not only your account, it should be also your wallet. What is going out from your wallet and what is coming into your wallet. What happens generally is that now most people, they don't pay attention to it. And then what happens? Then they spend more than what they have with them. And then unfortunately, then they go into loans and they go into debts and all because of this. And then that debt का circle starts rolling. एक EMI भरने के लिए दूसरे के से लोन लो, फिर दूसरा लोन क्लियर करने के लिए you have to take another loan, and then the circle continues, and you are not able to get out of this debt. And that is how people get into this trap of this debt.
How many rules you said?
Sorry, 10 power rules.
10 power rules. Okay.
And as I told you, like we never really look into how much money is coming in and how much money is going out. हमारे पॉकेट से कितना पैसा आ रहा है, कितना बाहर जा रहा है. If अगर अभी मैं आप लोग को पूछता हूँ आपके वॉलेट में अभी कितना पैसा है exactly, no one would be able to say exactly I have X amount of rupees except for Geeta ji, I guess, because Geeta, oh wow, you know.
Agreed.
Superb. Yeah. So wow, Neeraj ji knows exactly how much money he has got in his money. That's very nice. So that is what, guys, you need to do this. So if you are already following this, it's very good, because generally people don't know how much money they have in their wallet itself. It's just के हाँ चलो चाहिए तो निकाल लो और दे दो, नहीं है तो जाओ ATM से कर लो या digital pay कर दो, XYZ reasons and all. So the very first power rule, as I told you, it's like you need to make sure that every rupee, penny, dollar, whatever you're spending or you're earning, you should be accountable of that. Everyone's clear with this? The second thing would be, you should learn how to invest, guys, on your own. Warren Buffett started investing at the age of 11, okay? And at the age of 14, he was the taxpayer of USA. And once when he got interviewed, and one person asked him, what is one regret you have in your life? What he said is that I started investing too late in my life. मतलब he was already 11 and he is saying कि मैं जब 11 साल का था मैं तब से इन्वेस्ट करना चालू किया. एंड मेरा एक रिग्रेट मेरे लाइफ में है कि
किसका whose name?
वॉरेन बफे.
Okay.
Yeah. So he said ki one regret I still have in my life is that I started investing very late in my life karke. So what I'm trying to say is that you need to know how to invest. You should not rely much on the fund advisors or your insurance advisors or XYZ consult. Yes, you can take their help and you can take their expertise, but you should not just go by their words and say ki okay, XYZ person, my portfolio manager told me to invest this money in HDFC ka share or invest this money in this SIP or XYZ and all, and I will put it the money blankly or blindly. You should never do that. Okay. You should always know what kind of returns you are getting from your investment. It should not be हाँ मेरा portfolio manager, मेरा fund manager, मेरा insurance advisor देख रहा है ना मेरे को क्या करना है करके. Boss, it is your money तो अपने को ही करना है, उसको कुछ नहीं करना है. That person, he is doing his service, but then at the end of the day, it is your own money which you are investing. That's your hard-earned money. So you need to really know about what you are investing, where you are investing, and what kind of returns you are getting out of that. So ये है दूसरा चीज, like you should always learn how to invest on your own and you should not be totally dependent on others. Yes, but obviously other people have expertise in that field, but then that doesn't mean ki you should have zero expertise or zero knowledge in that and you should just blindly go. Like suppose everyone is investing in cryptocurrencies or everyone is investing in bitcoins and all. So it doesn't mean कि I should also go and invest in that because I don't have any knowledge in that. And it's like भेड़ चाल नहीं कर सकते अपन कि चलो उसने भी 1 लाख रुपया डाल दिया, उसने इतना डाल दिया तो मैं भी जाके पैसा डाल देता हूँ करके. No, we should not do that. Clear with this?
Yes, it's clear.
Good. The third point, guys, is that you need to be always be a lover of money and not a hater of money. The reason I'm saying is that now you may say, अरे पैसा तो सबको अच्छा लगता है, who hates money करके. We don't hate money directly, but then subconsciously we hate money. What happens is that the moment some bill comes in our kitty, like अभी 1 तारीख आ गया, I have to pay this bill, we start cribbing, oh shit यार ये bill भरना पड़ेगा. और else मेरे credit card का bill आ गया तो oh shit यार I have to pay this bill again. I don't want to pay this. I really hate paying my bills here on time to time basis pay and all. So what happened with that? With that we are creating unconscious mental blocks you're creating for the money to come in, and the money you are hating that money actually. The money what you're going to pay, you should always be a lover of money. Whenever you're paying someone or whenever you're accepting some money from someone, you should always love that. So many people when they grow up, they are always taught from their parents कि money is the root cause of all evil. बड़े लोग ही पैसा कमा सकते हैं, चोरी चकारी करके तुम सेठ बन सकते हो, अमीर बन सकते हो. मेहनत करके कोई अपने ऐशो आराम नहीं पूरे कर सकता है, मेहनत करके सिर्फ 2 वक्त की रोटी कमा सकते हैं. राइट. सो इसके कारण अपन बहुत सारे ना अनकॉन्शियस सबकॉन्शियस नेगेटिव बिलीव्स लेके पैदा हो जाते हैं. पैदा नहीं हो जाते, आई एम सॉरी टू से, बट देन वी ग्रो अप विद दीज बिलीव्स. दैट्स अ राइट वर्ड टू पुट इट. But then you should not do that. You should always be a lover of money and you should always cherish even a single rupee which is coming to you, or even a single rupee, a penny which is going out from you. You should always be in love with that money. Clear? The next rule would be you should learn how to make money passively. ये मैंने already आप लोग को सिखाया, like what are the different streams of income which you can use to earn money. Okay, उसमें ये passive income भी आता है. As I told you last time also, passive income is something wherein you are not doing anything. It is only one time effort you have put in and बाद में वो पैसा आपको आते जा रहा है on a recurring mode. भले आप दुबई के बीच में हो या आपका कोई बिजनेस पूरा ठप हो गया है और आप कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे तो भी that business, the passive income business is still there and you are still earning money out of that. So that is the fourth power rule which you need to follow in today's generation. Especially you need to have that kind of एक passive income का strong source होना चाहिए जिससे at least your day to day जो living होता है, day to day जो खर्चे होते हैं उसको you can take care of. Clear? The fifth rule is a very important rule, especially looking into the current scenario of the pandemic and the coronavirus and the things which are happening in the world right now, is always have a contingency fund of a minimum 9 to 12 months of your living expenses. So what I'm saying is that आप इतना पैसा आपका जो बेसिक एक्सपेंसेस होता है, सपोज आई नो मेरा मंथ ऑन मंथ एक्सपेंसेस 1 लाख रुपीज होता ही है, विच इंक्लूड्स माई रेंट्स, इंक्लूड्स माई फूड, इंक्लूड्स माई बच्चे लोग का खाना पीना, एजुकेशन एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड दैट्स द बेसिक बेयर मिनिमम आई हैव टू कीप विथ मी. आई एम नॉट काउंटिंग इन द मॉल में जाके पिक्चर्स देखना, मूवीज देखना, थिएटर में जाना, पिज्जा खाना, पार्टीज करना. दैट इज नॉट अ थिंग आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ. आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ द थिंग्स which you really can't live without at that moment of time. So you have to work on that, and you need to make sure minimum to minimum you can do 6 months if you can't stretch yourself to 9 to 12 months. But the ideal period is like 9 to 12 months. But then if you want, you can start with 6 months basically. Okay, and उतना पैसा सपोज 6 लाख रुपए आपका 6 महीने का खर्चा है, तो उसको एक ऐसा फंड में रखिए जो आप immediately within a week time you can take it out from the kitty. It should not be invested in like share market, or it should not be invested in property wherein it takes, or in golds or something which will take a lot of time for you to encash it. This should be a traditional method you can take, like you can invest this money into recurring deposits, or you can invest this money into
bank flexi deposits.
blank flexi deposit or fixed deposits and all, wherein you know within maximum 7 days you can get this money out anyhow karke. So always make sure you have this kind of contingency fund with you, so that whenever some pandemics or challenges like this come in front of you, you're always well aware about these challenges and you can live your life peacefully. That is the fifth thing. The next thing is sixth thing, which is called as you need to have a plan and you need to set a goal to enhance your money and abundance. As what I mean by this is that you need to set financial goals for your next 1 year, 3 years, 5 years. आपको आपके
Please repeat. You were a little fast.
Yeah, you need to have a plan and you need to set goals to enhance your money abundance. By this, I mean that you need to start setting your financial goals for the next 1 year ho gaya, 2 years ho gaya, 3 years ho gaya, 5 years ho gaya, and you should have a very clear picture about exactly what you really want to achieve in your life in that span of time. It can be 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, or whatever it is. This is also what I've already taught you yesterday about the goal achievement case mein. And now exactly how to have the clear picture about this, we are going to do a vision board session wherein we are going to teach you again exactly. We have already taught you the basics, what you have to collect, and we are going to give a clear picture to our subconscious mind ki exactly yes, सौरभ 1 साल में मेरे को ये करना है, 2 साल में मेरे को ये करना है, 5 साल में मेरे को ये करना है. You should never go beyond 5 years. Personally, if you ask me, people are there who would plan for 10 years, 15 years, 25 years also, but then that doesn't really work out well and people fail miserably in that. So maximum you can stretch yourself is for the 5 years, max to max. Don't go beyond that. Clear? Right. The seventh point is always make sure you spend less than what you earn. It is like the rule says that you should spend only maximum of 80% of your income or whatever you are earning. No matter if you are earning 1 lakh or you are earning 1 crore rupees a month, you should only spend maximum of 80% of your income or your earnings. And never go for unnecessary loans to buy things which you really don't want. Like, you know कि you already have a phone, but then now you see कि अरे iPhone आ रहा है मस्त करके, iPhone 1.5 लाख रुपए का, HDFC is giving EMIs of 5,000 6,000 rupees 3 साल के लिए, चलो iPhone ले लेते करके. Don't get into that trap of buying things which you really don't want, because there is a very good saying by someone, I don't know who said this, कि if you have a habit of buying things what you don't want, there will be a day for you very soon wherein you will be selling of the things which you really wanted.
Warren Buffett only said this.
I'm sorry, I couldn't recollect who said this. So this is what it is, and it's so true. आप अगर वो सब चीजें खरीद रहे हो आज जो आपको रियली नहीं चाहिए, तो कल को जाके एक टाइम ऐसा आ जाएगा आपके पास कि आपको वो सब चीजें बेचनी पड़ेगी जो आपको चाहिए आपके लाइफ को जीने के लिए. So that is what it is. Like, always spend less than what you earn, and make sure at least minimum of 20% of your savings goes into You can use it as a contingency fund, and you can keep on saving it in a liquid cash wherein you can get it very easily within 7 days or 10 days, 15 days, whatever it is. The eighth point, guys, is that you need to keep your finances very well organized. You, as I told you earlier also, it is related to that. Like, you need to know where exactly your money is parked, and you need to know exactly what kind of money you are investing where. Like, if you have money, where is your money exactly? Suppose अभी if I ask someone, तुमने कितना सेविंग करके रखा है, तो people say randomly, हाँ मैंने 10 लाख रुपया सेव करके रखा है. And then I ask him, okay, where all you have saved? तो they say, हाँ अगर मेरा शायद से 2-3 लाख रुपया शेयर्स में डाल के रखा है, 1-2 लाख मेरा अकाउंट में पड़ा रहेगा and all. So no, what you have to do is that you have to be crystal clear about exactly where your money is, like, and how much वो पैसा है. As you know, like, you have invested 3 lakh rupees in insurance, so you should be very clear about, yes, मैंने 3 लाख रुपया मेरे insurance में डाल के रखा है. There is 2 lakh rupees lying in my CASA account, that is my current accounts, or in my saving accounts. Then I have 55 lakh rupees ka SIPs which goes every year. Then I have insurance of X amount of thing. So this is what I mean by keeping your finances organized. Once you start doing this, guys, what happens is that you have a very clear picture about exactly what is there in your kitty and what you are working out and what kind of returns you're getting out of it. What happens, suppose if you have invested 10 lakh rupees for a year and you really don't know how much have you invested, and you get just 50,000 rupees out of that at the end of the year, and you really don't know, so you will not come to know exactly that return of yours is a really good return for you as far as the market standards and as per the market investments ke hisab se, or is it really bad because you have handed over your portfolio to the some fund manager or a portfolio manager or whoever. So agar if you are keeping consistent tab of your investments in different places, you know, oh yes, मैंने 10 लाख इधर डाला था, अभी I've got 12 lakh rupees out of it. That's like around 20% I have gotten on an average from all the sources of my income. So that's a very good thing in today's market. So you will get clear idea exactly what you have to do. If you find that your mutual funds are not giving you that kind of return, you can shift that money into shares or whatever, SIPs and whatever, what is as per the current market scenarios. So this is what it will help you to keep your finances very strong and very organized. Clear with this? Any doubts anyone has got till now
Yes.
before I go ahead?
No.
Yeah.
Cool. Great. The next point would be, guys, is that you need to pay yourself first. What I mean by this is that you need to start investing your money in growing your knowledge and skills. Okay. This investment, I guarantee and I bet you, will give you higher returns as compared to any kind of investments like SIPs, investment into shares, mutual funds, stocks and all. Okay. So this is,
Absolutely.
yes, thank you so
I'm
much.
a learner for life.
Yes,
I
you need,
continuously, I've never given up after study, after my school, college,
Uh-huh.
or my post graduation or whatever. I'm continuously learning.
that's great. You need to be a lifelong learner. That's we call as a L3, LLL. Like we are, you should always be a lifelong learners in your life. And mostly, sadly, the sad part is that people think it as an expenses. कि अरे मैं 5,000 रुपए का ये कोर्स क्यों खरीदूं या 50,000 रुपए का ये कोर्स क्यों खरीदूं, इतना कौन पैसा खर्चा करेगा. But then similarly, if you give them the option कि 5,000 रुपए का जाके shopping कर ले, they would be very happy to go and shop for that thing. But then that shopping is not going to help them out in the long run for sure. Even चलो shopping नहीं करता, 5,000 को normally किधर भी डालते हैं वो, like they just put it into shares or something. They will not get that kind of return, but what they are going to get by investing that amount in their self growth. Okay. So never stop learning things, and especially, guys, I'm talking about money. Like never stop learning about money and keep updating yourself with the skills and knowledge which is required for you in today's world. It should not happen कि हम बाप दादा के जमाने के हम तो सिर्फ FD और रिकरिंग डिपॉजिट के बारे में जानते हैं तो हम वही चीज को लेके चलेंगे. नो, यू हैव टू बी इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड. यू आर इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड. तो आपको आज के तरीके देखने क्या चीज है. मैं किधर SIP में डाल सकता हूँ या मैं गोल्ड्स में डाल, स्टॉक्स में डाल सकता हूँ, गोल्ड में इन्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ, कमोडिटीज में इन्वेस्ट कर सकता हूँ. व्हाट आई कैन डू. सो ये नॉलेज किधर से आएगा आपको. वंस यू इन्वेस्ट इन सम पर्सन हु ऑलरेडी हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज or skill, he will give you that knowledge. Okay. And what happens is that the good thing with having a mentor or a coach or someone who is really a master in that is like that person has already learned in his past life of 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and that same thing he's going to teach you in 1 year maximum or 6 days 6 months or so. So आपका 10 साल 12 साल का experience जो है ना वो बच जाता है, and people don't understand this. That is the power of hiring a mentor or a power of hiring a coach. Because I have one coach who have read more than 10,000 books. So now I don't have to read those books. Honestly speaking, I'm not a book lover. I don't like to read much books. I'm not a voracious book reader also. So, but now I know my coach is there who has already read those 10,000 books. So if I have some difficulty, if I have some queries, I can very well go and ask him, and he will give me some suggestion from the books which he've already read. Okay. So my time is getting saved in that. And since that's not my area of interest reading books that much, so I'm getting the same knowledge what he's going to give me from the books, whatever he has read. That is what it is called. So you need to pay yourself first in this matter. Don't think कि अपन क्या करते हैं, unfortunately we keep this as a last option. अरे चलो अगर पैसा बचा तो देखते हैं अपन ये 5,000 का 50,000 का कोर्स खरीद लेंगे या कर लेंगे करके, वो एकदम लास्ट में देखेंगे. अपन पहले अपन को शॉपिंग करने का है, अपन को बर्थडे बनाने का है, अपने को वाइफ को गिफ्ट देने का है, अपने को XYZ चीज करना है. We keep that as a priority. But then don't do that. Shift your thinking, since I see all of you are learners over here, so I don't need to focus much on this and tell you much on this. But then that's what it means, like you need to first pay for your personal growth first.
Corona has been a golden time.
Absolutely. And this is the best time for people to get knowledge in a very affordable fees also, sir. It is not
Okay.
only about learning. Earlier,
Yeah.
ye jo courses like I have learned NLP, I put in more than lakh rupee in just NLP. And there are
Yes,
other
yes.
courses which I have put in 1.5 lakh, 2 lakh rupees just for like 15 lectures or so, which has been really
Absolutely.
like I have invested around 7.5 lakhs till now in my personal growth. But
Within
then,
these 3-4 months in Corona period, I have invested around 50,000.
right, that's great. So I can understand the kind of knowledge in that 50,000 what you have got right now, sir.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because it shows when you chat and when you talk, sir. So that is what it
Absolutely.
is.
You're
So
right, you're right.
आप किससे बात करते हो ना तो आपको समझ जाता है ये आदमी कितना पानी में और कितना ऊपर है करके. So that's
You're
what
right, you're right.
you come to know when you invest things in your own knowledge and in your own skills.
Absolutely.
So continue doing this as a be a lifelong learner. I
Absolutely.
see so many people like my age के ही है जो forget about my parents age के, like my friends and all. अरे तू इतना क्यों पढ़ता है, पागल है क्या इतना पैसा डालने को करके, ऐसा वैसा and all. जितना पढ़ा उसको ही तो तू use कर पहले. And they give me all lame reasons. But then I
Absolutely.
say कि that is your mindset. You have got into the fixed mindset of like you are happy with whatever sources and resources you have right now. You are happy with the job. You are happy with your family, the standard of living, everything, whatever you have. You are happy with your knowledge. I respect that. But then don't get your things onto me and impose that to me, because I don't buy anyone's suggestions, or I don't buy anyone's objections like this very easily. I
Absolutely.
need to have a very strong reason for that person to give it to me. Then only I buy that. So they know
Mind and umbrella work only when we open
they
them.
are
you know,
open.
knowledge.
Absolutely correct. Even parachute works the same thing. If it's
Same
open,
thing.
then only it is going to save you.
The
So
majority of the people close their mind.
right. So majority of them what they do, एक बार कॉलेज खत्म हो गया, MBA खत्म हो गया, जॉब पे लग गए, बीवी आ गई, बच्चे आ गए, शादी हो गई, बस चलो अपना काम करो, कुछ सीखने का नहीं आगे पीछे. इट्स ओनली अगर आपका कुछ जॉब रिलेटेड आपको करना है, दैट टू फॉर योर इंक्रीमेंट, इफ यू हैव टू डू दैट कोर्स, you do that. Otherwise you don't do that also.
There's one more thing, Swaha, I wish to share with all.
Uh-huh.
Basically, whatever is our level of achievement today, right? It has been because of the learning so far what we have gone through. All right?
Absolutely right.
Those learnings have taken us to this level.
Correct.
And
Absolutely.
if we need to migrate to a higher level, we need to upskill ourselves.
Absolutely
Only then we can go at a higher level.
correct.
Otherwise, we can remain at the same level.
Absolutely, that's true. So आपने अभी तक जितने भी coaches से, जितने भी mentors से सीखा है ना sir, that is the reason you have that kind of knowledge. I get so many people like who tell me and they crib and they say bad things about their previous mentors or their previous coaches. And I say, see, he gave you already whatever he had with him. It
Yeah.
was your thing, like you couldn't absorb everything. And whatever you have learned and you have come over here, okay, so now I'm giving you additional knowledge. It is only helping you because you already have the foundation of ABCD, and that is the
Right.
reason you are able to understand and absorb all these things. So you should never say anything wrong about any of the coaches or the trainers who have
Sure.
taught you. I get so many people personally, they tell me your way of teaching is so different as compared to other coaches. They are just behind money and all. Man, no, they are not just behind money and all. Everyone has got a different kind of teaching, and everyone has got a different kind of learning capacity. So he is a master. It's like you go in one restaurant, okay, and you go in one table and you get one waiter who is serving you the food, and he is very arrogant and he is very rude. So you will just blame the full restaurant as a very bad thing. Similarly, if you go into the same restaurant and some other waiter comes in and he gives you food and who is very polite and who is very hospitable to you, you love that place. Why? It's only the person has changed, but then the knowledge, the food and everything is same, right? The ambience and everything. So similarly, the same thing happens with the mentors and coaches also. No mentor is good, no mentor is bad. Everyone is giving their 100% to you. It totally depends upon you, what you want to absorb from them and what you want to learn and what you want to unlearn from them. So इसके लिए pay yourself first and always be a lifelong learner. Clear with this, everyone, guys?
Right.
Great. The next important thing is, guys, you need to pay your taxes on time diligently and keep all your accounts clear. आप business में हो तो keep all your taxes very clearly. Be एकदम completely black and white में रखो आपके accounts को. Many people what they do is that लाख 2 लाख रुपया बचाने के लिए then they do झोलमाल CA को बोलते हैं अरे adjust कर दे and all. But then I have learned it personally from my CA. This thing what I have learned is I have learned it from my CA. When I used to do business, so he used to tell me, सौरभ तू आज ये 50,000 लाख रुपया बचा रहा है ना, कल को ये अगर आज टैक्स भरता है ना, it will help you to get 30-40 lakh rupees loan very easily. And that is very true, guys. I have experienced it personally. That is the reason I am telling it to you. It is like being a penny wise pound foolish kind of thing. आप अभी लाख 2 लाख रुपए 5 लाख रुपए बचा लेते हो आपके टैक्स में, but then कल को जाके आपको जब 5 करोड़ रुपए लेने होते हैं बैंक से या आपको बिजनेस एक्सपांड करने के लिए या आपको जो भी अमाउंट चाहिए रहता है, the bank rejects your loan because your papers are not that strong, then you feel the pinch and then you give the bank manager को पैसा दो. All those wrong things happen unfortunately there. So उससे पहले you keep your taxes clear and keep your taxes filed every now and then. जो भी आपके quarters के as per the government rules and regulations होते हैं, make sure whether you are into job or whether you are into business or whatever, self-employed and all, you need to make sure that you pay your taxes. And that's the reason, if you remember, I always tell every one of you to make the payments to me through my InstaMojo account, because I love personally to make my taxes. I love personally to pay my taxes to the government. Because अभी वो मेरे अकाउंट में आता है ना, I have to pay my own personal taxes उस पे, my personal income करके मेरे को पे करना. That तो I do, but then for me, I focus more on my business, because my business में जब पैसा आएगा, then only if I want more investments to come in, I can show it to my investors, and every rupee count in that form. So इसके लिए I tell everyone mostly to put in my money into my InstaMojo account itself. I rarely take it into my personal accounts and all. So that was the very last thing which you need to really look into whenever you get the opportunity to pay your taxes. Tell your CA कि no, I want to make my taxes clear करके, and please pay my taxes करके.
Even if the minimum return filing is there, one should do it. You know?
Right.
Even if you don't want to pay the taxes, file a minimum return.
Yes,
so that
correct.
you have a financial track record, and then if you go in for loans and all, banks can easily
Absolutely.
your files and everything.
Correct. Because क्या होता है ना, अपन business में है, right? And business में when you are growing ना, what happens is that if there's some competitor of yours who is very jealous of you ना, he can play with your business. You see अभी कंगना का क्या हो रहा है, उसके घर पे छापा मार रहे हैं, बुलडोजर कर रहे हैं, उसका ये देख रहे हैं, वो देख रहे हैं. तो then they get into all these things because they know कि सब लोग चोरी करते हैं टैक्स का. So that's the weakest thing of all the business people basically, because हर एक जन चोरी करता है टैक्स का. 99% I know they do tax में, 100% no one pays tax. They do गपला उसमें CA के मिलकर. So you should always be sure कि अपना जो taxes अपन ने पे करके रखा है, क्योंकि कल को रात को 2 बजे भी कोई आता है अपने दरवाजे पे अपना papers देखने को, you can very well show them. And that is what I have followed in my life throughout. कोई भी अगर मेरे को इंक्वायरी है, कुछ भी आया, I have like taken that and I have given them all the documents in case if and then you are at peace for your life basically.
We get a good night's sleep,
Absolutely. That's what I'm saying. You are at peace for your life, all your life. Like इट्स नॉट कि अरे मैं 4 साल पहले ये किया था, अभी भी वो मेरे फिर दिमाग में चलता रहता है, कभी ये रेज ना हो जाए करके, कभी वो रेज ना हो जाए, क्वेरी नहीं आ जाए टैक्स इनकम टैक्स वाले का, ये नहीं हो जाए वो नहीं. Why you want to do when you're working? Give tax to your country. I know our country doesn't do much for middle class people, but then too, it's our duty. If you are staying in this country, it's our legal duty, and it's our right to give taxes to the country. So do that.
We don't have to compare with people, what they do. We think of ourselves, what we have to do, basically.
Right. Yes. So
Comparison
give,
doesn't help.
correct. Give your
See,
taxes.
there comes a mind, thought in the mind, when people are not filing their returns. Hardly 4% people in our country, they are
Pay
filing returns and
taxes.
paying taxes.
Right. True.
And 96%, they get benefited through those 4% taxpayers.
Absolutely true.
And these 96% people, they blame the government. The government is not doing anything.
Correct.
What you are doing for the government or the country?
Absolutely. That's what I guess Martin Luther has said. He don't ask what your country
You
has
can
done
do
for
for
you.
your country.
Yeah. Ask what you
Ask
have
what
done
you
for
can
your
do.
country.
Do for your country.
Right. That's all. So that's what you need to do. You can do your taxes, and this is a very important thing which you need to like make sure, and that will make you powerful. As these are the 10 powerful rules of money. So this is the one thing. अगर आप पूरे 9 भी फॉलो कर रहे हो एंड ये नहीं फॉलो किया और कभी खुदा ना खास्ता आपका कभी बुरा दिन आ गया, कोई कॉम्पिटिटर ने कुछ कंप्लेन कर दिया, कुछ कर दिया, देन आपके पूरे 9 चीज फेल हो जाएंगे इस चक्कर में. Because that's your backbone of your company, is a backbone of yours from wherein you're getting your money, and that's the reason you are able to follow the 9 things. So
There's one example, sir.
Uh-huh.
Ours is a very huge country. We have a population of around 1.25 crores.
yes,
Even if some, every single citizen pays 1 rupee, it's 1.25 crores,
right,
125 crores.
correct,
Just by a single rupee, see the
True.
magic of 1 rupee.
absolutely.
So, but even we don't want to pay 1 rupee to the government.
And that's the
Only
very
like
sad
this.
part. Even I think on the same page, like suppose you have family members of 5 family members, so tell the government should put in some scheme like at least 5 रुपया महीने का तुम भरो.
Huh?
Every all family members, जितने तुम्हारे 10 है तो 10 का 10 रुपया भरो, 50 है तो 50 रुपया भरो. But then at least pay that every month religiously. People don't want to pay that also. अगर government ये scheme लाता है, I feel so there would be some difference in the economy also. It will boost up the economy too. But then
Actually, our whole theory of taxation seems to be wrong in India. We have tax on income,
correct,
right? On the other hand, we should have expenditure tax.
correct,
There should be no slab on income,
income, correct,
Everybody has got his ability. He can earn, to the extent he wants. But
True,
when we
that's
go for expenditure, it's the magic is there in the expenditure.
correct,
When we show the income, we are not filing the return, and when the expenditure is there, we are spending in crores.
true.
Nobody watches this.
That's
Uh,
what,
Taxation department or the government or like that.
correct.
Which
So
is not,
that's which is not
everybody
right.
knows what
Absolutely,
like that. There has to be balance between the income and expenditure, isn't it?
absolutely true.
Then Mukesh Ambani wouldn't have spent 850 crores for his daughter's wedding.
Yes, ma'am. This is the thing.
All right.
So there has to be tax on expenditure, right? Not the income.
Yes.
Like that.
That's true. And if we come to Mukesh Ambani on this, it's like कि मैम उसके पास millions of rupees, crores of rupees है, and he had just spent around less than 1% of his income on उसके daughter का wedding पे. It is like as good as suppose if I have 1 lakh rupee in my kitty and I'm spending 100 rupees, so it's very easy for me to spend 100 rupees on anything. It's the same thing for him. But then अपन लोग क्या है ना, अपन मजाक उड़ाते हैं उसका and then we crib about
No,
it.
no,
But
no,
then-
no, 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 no. That is not the real story. The story is black को white convert करने का.
That is, yeah, that's a different thing. But then he can very
Fact, in our country, we can't help it.
absolutely that you can't help it. But then that's also one part of that. Like for him, that 850 crores is really nothing. So he can very well spend it. But then for us, the same thing. अगर अपन के पास रहता है 1 लाख रुपए और अपन को कोई बोलता 850 रुपया खर्चा कर दो, even we would have not thought much about spending. We would have not cribbed about it. So the same thing goes with him. So
No, but if he had taxes on that spending, he wouldn't have spent that money. He would have used it wisely.
that's true. That's
That
a
same
second.
money was used for the benefit of the country. Many people would have benefited out of that kind of monies.
And there's a wrong theory that goes in India, Saurabh.
Uh-huh.
If you have it fronted, right? So so that's what they are doing. They have it and then they flaunt it.
Right. And
And then
regarding that, also, I would just like to tell you, I would like to beg to differ from this, Ujjwala ma'am. It's like, see, it's everyone's personal choice about what he's doing with his money. I as a person, I can't tell Neeraj ji ki now you're earning 10 lakh rupees. It's your moral duty to go and help XYZ person or do this or that. That is his personal choice whether he wants to help someone or he doesn't want to help someone. So if I'm earning today 1 crore rupees and I feel ki I should not be helping someone or anyone in this world, it's my own money and I deserve the right and I have my right to spend it the way I want to. So who the hell this world is all about to tell me ki I should do social service or I should do XYZ things. So it's personally like people come and discuss with me on the same thing. I always tell them ki if you would have in that position, most probably even you would have not done the same thing. Like you would also have thought about the same thing. Kya mera
No,
paisa hai?
but now consider Warren Buffett. Every year, 50% of his earnings,
That's what I'm saying, ma'am. It's
he
your
donates.
total. It's your
Yet he,
choice. It's
no, yet
completely
he
your
makes so
choice.
much more. Yet he makes so much more.
Because
Still, he retains his position there. Why?
true,
Because
I
that
mean,
is what gives him
universe.
abundance.
Yeah, that's what. But then not everyone follow this, right, ma'am? So we need to understand everyone's point of view. No one is right or no one is wrong. Everyone is right at their place.
so sort of there are natural laws, and when we follow them, we get the benefits. When
Correct.
we don't follow them, you are disadvantaged. Basically, suppose we are paying taxes.
Hmm.
There is a concept of charity in every religion,
Right.
isn't it?
Yes.
So, and it is selfless, and we don't expect anything in return when we do the charity. So taxes also like the same thing. When we pay the taxes to the government, that money goes into charity. There are free gehu, free chawal,
Right.
this.
Correct.
So government is doing charity on our behalf. So
Absolutely
indirectly,
true.
it is helping the poor and everything.
Correct.
So that's the way. It's a cycle. And
Absolutely.
the natural law is the more we give,
The more you get.
the more we get.
Correct.
It's
So,
a
but
simple law.
I'm still for instead of earnings पे tax करो, spending पे tax करो. So at
Yes,
least
yes.
the lower bracket will benefit out of it.
Expenditure tax, ma'am. Yeah, I was talking about.
हम नीरज जी और मैम आप देखिए हम एक्सपेंडिचर में भी टैक्स दे रहे हैं और इनकम में भी टैक्स दे रहे हैं बिकॉज अगर मैं मूवी देखने जाता हूँ तो 33% टैक्स है मेरा उसके ऊपर
Entertainment
मैं
tax.
आज कहीं पर खाना खाने जाता हूँ तो सर्विस टैक्स है उसके ऊपर तो मैं तो अपने एक्सपेंडिचर में भी टैक्स दे रहा हूँ और इनकम में भी टैक्स दे रहा हूँ
नहीं, that is
we are
what
among
stop.
those country
Hmm.
where we are taxed at every point of time.
Yes,
We
we
should
pay
be
more
taxed
than
only at one
50%.
point of time.
We pay
And
more than
उज्ज्वला जी
50 to
आपका एक आंसर देना
55%.
चाहता हूँ मैं इस चीज के लिए सोशलिज्म हमें कहीं आगे लेकर नहीं जा सकता हम कैपिटलिज्म को पीछे नहीं छोड़ सकते पॉइंट
You're
मेरे
right.
को
I
जब
agree
मैंने
with you.
जस्टिफाई नहीं कर रहा हूँ 850 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ 850 खर्च किए उसमें कितने लोगों को काम मिला होगा आप ये चीज
Absolutely.
देखिए
Correct.
कितने लोगों को काम मिला होगा 850 करोड़ में से एटलीस्ट 100 करोड़ वुड हैव बीन सर्विसेज जो कि लोगों को सैलरी मिली है खाना खिलाया है XYZ थिंग्स लॉट मेनी थिंग्स हैपन मैरिजेस जो हम करते हैं जैसे भी करते हैं और ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी आई अप्रिशिएट रतन टाटा आल्सो जो अपनी अर्निंग का 80% हर बारी चैरिटी में देता है
True.
बोथ वेज रतन टाटा भी ग्रो कर रहा है मुकेश अंबानी भी ग्रो कर रहा है मुकेश अंबानी इज आल्सो जनरेटिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट रतन टाटा इज आल्सो जनरेटिंग एम्प्लॉयमेंट तो हमें दोनों पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज को साथ में रख के करना चाहिए we
Correct.
should not reward Mukesh Ambani. We should not only celebrate Warren Buffett.
Absolutely.
Because Warren Buffett does charity where he can benefit from. But Indians never do charity where they can benefit from.
Correct.
They always do charity as an exact charity.
Exact. Absolutely.
There are
You
not
are
many
right.
examples. I will not waste group's time. Let us
No,
continue with the
that's true. What you're saying, Gaurav, it's completely I agree. Because since I have a NGO, ना, so many people say me, अरे मेरे को donate करना है. मैं या करो करके. तो ATG का certificate मिलेगा क्या मेरे को? तो ही मैं donate करेगा करके. So they do for saving their taxes and all. Basically, in India, they do charity because of this saving the taxes to that ATG certificate or ATD certificate, whatever certificates they want. But then mostly you should not. That is not a real charity. What you're doing. The charity is something you do from your heart without expecting a single rupee or single return or anything out of that.
Charity is run as marketing in India. They do charity, they do marketing, self-marketing.
Right, correct. Yeah. All right. So that was the 10 power tips basically, which you have to follow if you want to be rich and go. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
is everyone at their place right now, guys? Because I can only hear 2-3 of you participating in the talks and all. अभी हम लोग एक गेम खेलेंगे.
All right. Ready?
ठीक है?
What we need to have for playing the game?
I will tell you what this game is. This is the very first time I am playing the game online. I don't know how well this will go. But then live जब हम लोग करते हैं तो it's very like आप लोग को सबको flow state मालूम है? Flow state क्या होता है?
No.
Groove state, flow state.
No.
जब क्रिकेटर
Yes. No.
बहुत मस्त खेलता है तो व्हाट वी से अरे ये तो क्या मस्त फ्लो में खेल रहा है. करेक्ट.
Okay.
वो
Right.
छक्के पे छक्के मार
Okay.
उसे अरे क्या मस्त छक्के पे छक्के मार रहा है. आज तो सहवाग, आज तो विराट कोहली, तेंदुलकर सब फ्लो में करके. करेक्ट.
Okay. Okay.
When you see someone like who is singing really very well, like you go for Arijit Singh का concert में and you start grooving to the music and you say oh wow what a groove, क्या मस्त है करके ये. Then you say
Mm.
similarly flow state is when you are at the peak performance of yours and you are doing things which is helping you to grow in your life continuously. And in order to earn money and to grow in your life, you need to be in a flow state always. तो ही जाके आप पैसे कमा पाओगे और तो ही जाके आप लाइफ में आगे बढ़ पाओगे. To be in that peak performance state, I am going to teach you one exercise today. You can try doing this exercise. I don't know, as I told you, this is the very first time I'm trying to do it online. I've never done it. I just want to see, is it possible to get people on in flow state in online also or what करके.
सितारे बुलंदी पे करना.
Yes. So उसके लिए I would need everyone's participation, live participation, because I would be reading your faces. I would be reading, doing a lot of calibrations and all. सभी लोगों का इधर पे. So if you all can come live, that would be good. So flow state पे जाने के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें काम आती है. Before I get into this game, I would just tell you what is flow state. में क्या क्या चीजें काम आती है. The very first thing, in order to be flow state में guys, you need to be always be in a state of gratitude. You should have gratitude for everything and anything whatever आपके life में है. Okay. Second thing is that you should suspend all the judgments from your life. आप कभी भी किसको जज नहीं करने चाहिए लाइफ में, उसके पास्ट को लेके या उसके प्रेजेंट को लेके या उसके फ्यूचर को लेके. कुछ भी चीज के लिए उसको पर्सन को never judge that. You can write it down. These are very useful points for you to be in a flow state. Okay. Stop judging everyone. And stop judging yourself.
नंबर 1 क्या था? नंबर 1
Be in a state of gratitude.
Gratitude.
The second thing is stop judging everyone and stop judging yourself also. Stop judging your own life. अपन क्या करते हैं, अपनी लाइफ को जज करना चालू कर देते हैं. अरे गौरव जी का तो कितना मस्त बिजनेस चल रहा है, मैं तो क्या इधर मक्खी मार रहा हूँ करके यार. आई एम गुड फॉर नथिंग. अरे नीरज जी को देखो, उनका तो इतना मस्त क्लासेस चल रहा है, पर मेरे तो देखो बच्चे लोग कुछ नहीं कर पाते हैं करके. अपन खुद को सेल्फ जज करने लग जाते हैं. एंड जब अपन ये सेल्फ जज करना चालू करते हैं, अपन फ्लो स्टेट में नहीं रह पाएंगे उस कारण से. तो इसके लिए आप कभी भी अपने आप को जज मत कीजिए कुछ भी गलत चीजों के लिए. If you are judging someone, if you are comparing someone with you, always make sure that you can try to be like that person. Like I can say, oh wow, Gaurav ji wants to earn 20 CR. I would like to idolize him. I would like to model him so that even I can earn something like him. So that is what you should do. The third thing is that you should trust yourself completely. अपने आप को blindly trust करो. Trust आपके जो भी काम कर रहे हो, आपके उस पे विश्वास करो. भले कोई आके बोल दे गौरव जी को कि अरे तुम 20 करोड़ रुपया नहीं कमा सकते, पागल हो क्या, ये मार्केट में ऐसा 20 करोड़ रुपया कमाने का कोई है क्या, थोड़ा सोच समझ के अपना टारगेट अचीव करो. But then if Gaurav ji trusts himself and he knows, yes, I can earn 20 crores very easily, nothing should hamper his trust. Nothing to the outside things should not hamper him, or even the critical mind, inner talks should not hamper him in this. Cool. The fourth thing is that you should meditate. And when I say meditate, people say, अरे मेरे को आधा घंटा 40 मिनट meditate करने को नहीं होता है. Meditate does not mean you need to sit in that meditation का position for 1 hour, 40 minutes, 30 minutes. Even for 2 minutes or 5 minutes you can do meditation. ध्यान आप 2 मिनट भी कर सकते हो. It's not कि आप 10 मिनट करो, 20 मिनट करो, 25 मिनट करो. Okay. The next thing would be you need to forgive yourself and others for all the wrong you have done to yourself and all the wrong you have done to others. आपने किसके साथ भी कुछ बुरा किया है या आपके साथ किसके थ्रू बुरा हुआ है, नेक्स्ट थिंग वुड बी यू नीड टू हैव फन होल हार्टेडली. अपनी जिंदगी को खुशी से जियो. स्टार्ट लिविंग योर लाइफ होल हार्टेडली. कभी क्रिब मत करो कि मेरे को डायबिटीज हो गया, अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, मेरे को तो चश्मा लग गया है, मेरे को कमर दर्द हो गया है, मेरे तो जिंदगी खराब हो गया, मेरा ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया. जो है लाइफ में उसके साथ जिंदगी जियो, मजे करो. देन यू विल ऑलवेज बी इन अ फ्लो स्टेट. एंड द लास्ट वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट लव 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 एवरीवन. लव ऑल द लिविंग बीइंग्स. आपके आजू बाजू में जितने भी इंसान है, जितने भी मनुष्य है, उनको प्यार करो. जितने भी पशु पक्षी है, जितने भी झाड़ है, उनको प्यार करो, उनके लिए कुछ करो. लव योर एनवायरमेंट. आपका जो एनवायरमेंट है उसके लिए कुछ करो. डोंट एक्सप्लॉइट दिस मदर नेचर.
यस.
आपके जो रिसोर्सेज है, पानी है, आपका लाइट है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वॉट एवर द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है, ऑयल है, यूज दैट वेरी वाइजली, जुडिशियसली, and love everything and respect and value everything if you want to be in a flow state always. Once you start doing this, trust me guys, I follow almost everything out of this. There's nothing which I don't follow. And you will always find yourself, कितने भी बड़ी मुश्किल हो, कितना भी कुछ भी पहाड़ टूट जाए ना सर पे, you will never find yourself very weak, or you will never find yourself crumpled down कि अरे अभी मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. You will always have that attitude to bounce back and to fight back with the society, with everything. जो भी आपके ऊपर आ रहा है पार्ट, आप उसको 100% I can guarantee you can fight that with all of joy and with all of ease and grace. So this is a very powerful thing which I am teaching. Actually, this is not the topic of this subject. This is basically a topic of my NLP. But then that is very important thing. Like people should know flow state में कैसे रहना चाहिए. People don't really know flow state में कैसे रहना चाहिए. Because आप ये जितना भी आपको मैंने चीजें सिखा ली है, अगर आप फ्लो स्टेट में नहीं रहते हो ना, आप ये सब चीज करने जाओगे तो आपको बहुत मेहनत लगेगा करने को. होगा, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होगा, बट देन ये करने को आपको मेहनत लगेगा. एंड आई एम ऑलवेज अ बिलीवर ऑफ स्मार्ट वर्क रेदर देन हार्ड वर्क. आई डोंट लाइक टू डू थिंग्स हार्ड वे, आई लाइक टू डू थिंग्स स्मार्ट वे. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू नाउ. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले अ वेरी वंडरफुल गेम विथ एवरीवन. ठीक है, उसमें आप लोग को करना क्या है, I will show you one ABCD का चार्ट. alright, and when A बोलूंगा तो आपको हाथ उठाने, कैसे उठाने बताता हूं मैं आपको. सपोज A के नीचे L लिखा हुआ है तो दैट मीन्स योर लेफ्ट हैंड शुड रेस. ओके, अगर B के नीचे R लिखा हुआ है तो राइट हैंड विल रेस. अगर C के नीचे T लिखा हुआ है, T मतलब टुगेदर, तो दोनों हाथ विल रेस. क्लियर? Everyone's clear with this?
एक बार और बताओ.
हाँ ठीक है. Just Yashashri, can you just share the screen for a minute so then come to know exactly what it is. Then मैं आप लोग को समझाता हूँ. And guys, this is a very powerful tool. बहुत मजा आता है, करोगे आप लोग एटलीस्ट 15-20 मिनट अपन ये एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. And
be hands free.
Sorry?
Free.
Yeah, hands free.
Hands free.
हाँ, बहुत मजा आता है सीरियसली.
आप लोग सिर्फ एक बार ये चार्ट को देखो. इफ यू वांट आई विल शेयर दिस चार्ट विथ यू इन द ग्रुप आल्सो. आप लोग ये खुद आप प्रिंट लेके A4 साइज का प्रिंट लेके आपके घर पे खुद भी कर सकते हो. ये चार्ट
दिख रहा है सबको चार्ट?
हाँ, आप दिख रहा है.
हाँ.
यस.
या तो सपोज इधर अभी A लिखा है, राइट? तो आपको लेफ्ट हैंड ऊपर उठाए. सब लोग उठाएंगे हाथ ऊपर, लेफ्ट हैंड, A लेफ्ट. और आपको बोलना भी है A. या मैं जब बोलूंगा B तो इट इज R मतलब राइट हैंड. B उठाओ हाथ. फिर C, फिर D, फिर E, फिर F, फिर G, फिर H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Difficult, right?
Yes.
Yes, it is difficult. So, ये कोई competition नहीं है, guys. No one is competing with anyone कि आपको कुछ prize मिलने वाला है. It is only this exercise will help you to tune your left brain and your right brain.
Okay.
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 All right. And this
When it's
exercise,
T, when it's T, the middle brain, huh?
both the hands.
T is middle brain.
Yeah.
The third eye opening up.
Yes, yes.
तो
Yes, carry on.
इसमें अभी I will go very slow. आप जैसे गेम्स खेलते हो तो स्टेजेस होते हैं. Slow first stage, level 2, level 3, level 4, and it starts becoming difficult, right? So I will not be taking into that difficult zone, which I usually take when I do live one-on-one में. I will take it to maximum 3 का stage पे. And continue doing that. अगर गलत
Saurabh, we can't hear you clearly.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now we can hear you.
Right. So continue doing that. गलत हो भी जाता है. Don't stop. अपना स्टेट को कोई ब्रेक नहीं करेगा. Understand this. Everyone be clear with this. मेरे पॉइंट्स को एकदम ध्यान से सुनो. And then do this exercise. You will go into a complete different state after 15 to 20 minutes of this exercise. I will write and give it to you right away. It's getting recorded. If you do this religiously, you don't have to think about anyone over here. The next 11 participants को छोड़ के आपको सिर्फ अपने आप को देखना है. You, Neeraj ji, will not see what Anita is doing, what Rashmi is doing, what Yashashri is doing, what Saurabh is doing. Neeraj will only see what he is doing. Because you have to get into the state, not Mayur ji or Ujjwala ji have to get into that state. Everyone will look into their own things. All right? Clear सब लोग?
Yep.
Cool. इसमें मैं पहले ABCDEFG चलूंगा slowly. फिर मैं ABCDEFG fast चलूंगा. फिर मैं Y से लेके चलूंगा. Okay. Then I will go ऐसा, 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 ऐसा. Then I will go A से लेके U, then V से B, C से W. Clear? These are different patterns of levels which I am going to do. There are more levels in this. I am not going to do that with you. I will only stick max to max 3 levels के लिए. And guys, it is a long game. At least 20-25 मिनट लगेगा. थक जाते हैं इसमें गेम में. अगर आप लोग को वॉशरूम जाना है तो आप लोग जाके पानी पीना है तो पीजिए. आई एम वेरी सीरियस. आई एम नॉट जोकिंग. थक जाते हैं गेम खेलने में बिकॉज आपका दिमाग बहुत तेज चलता है. योर एनर्जी गेट्स एग्जॉस्टेड एंड योर ब्रेन गेट्स वेरी कंफ्यूज. ये कर क्या रहा है आदमी करके? पागल हो गया क्या?
5D.
या सो आई विल गिव यू 2 मिनट्स शार्प. आप लोग पानी पी के आइए. आपको वॉशरूम जाना है तो वॉशरूम जाके आइए. एंड टेल योर फैमिली मेंबर्स नॉट टू डिस्टर्ब यू for next 15-20 minutes.
I have a disturbance, sorry.
Yeah, so tell your daughter. Tell your daughter
अरे
also to play this.
त्रिशा को भी बोलना तेरे साथ तेरे जैसे एक्शंस करने के लिए.
She can also do
tell
that.
Trisha also.
She will enjoy more.
Absolutely.
So,
She can also do that.
Yes, ये बच्चे लोग भी कर सकते हैं, guys. अगर आपके फैमिली में बच्चे हैं ना, tell them also to do this exercise. It's a very powerful exercise which I'm teaching you. So it's 33. I will be back by 35, guys. Everyone, आप लोगों को वॉशरूम जाना है, पानी पीना है, जो कुछ करना है कर लीजिए.
I'll do this.
या मैं भी मेरा बॉटल भर के आता हूँ पानी का जब तक.
फूल करण्याचं दिला इथं टाका फुलफुल करण्यात दिला
Chalo, if everyone is back, let's start your cameras, everyone, so that I can see सभी को. And आप लोग के मोबाइल जो भी डिस्टरबेंस है सब बंद कर दो and try to get as many right guys. मैंने जैसे बोला है, एक अगर लेफ्ट है तो try to get those things conscious level पे. Just don't keep on doing anything because आप वो flow में नहीं आ पाओगे फिर उससे. Okay. So now before we do this exercise, I want every one of you to identify one thing which you really want to achieve in your life in next 3 months. आँख बंद कीजिए सब लोग. And एक गोल को आप जो अचीव करना चाहते हो नेक्स्ट 3 महीने में उसके बारे में सोचिए. एंड अगर आप लोग ने उस चीज को सोच लिया है तो अभी आपको क्या करना है, आपके आजू बाजू में कोई अगर एक पॉइंट को फोकस पॉइंट बना के, जैसे कोई अगर कैसे बोलूं मैं आपको, अगर आपके सामने कोई टाइल्स है आपके आगे में या पीछे में कुछ जो आप एग्जैक्टली देख सकते हो क्लियरली, उसको एक फोकस पॉइंट बनाओ और उसको एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट बनाओ. यस, दैट इज माई गोल, दैट थिंग इज माई गोल.
Sorry, Saurabh, I just came back.
Alright. So what I'm saying is that आपको एक आपका गोल जो आपको नेक्स्ट 3 मंथ्स में अचीव करना है, छोटा हो कोई भी हो, वो सोचिए.
ओके, ठीक है.
ठीक है. नाउ आपको एक कॉन्टेक्स्ट बनाना है उस चीज का. आपको वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट को मार्क करना है स्पेशली. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, सपोज आप अभी लैपटॉप पे देख रहे हो तो आपके सामने अगर कोई टाइल्स वाइल्स है, एक्चुअली खड़े होकर होता है गेम, बट देन सिंस वी ऑल आर सिटिंग राइट नाउ, तो आपको एक स्पॉट बनाना है कि दैट इज योर गोल. तो यू कैन मार्क कोई भी एक आपके नीचे का जो फर्श रहेगा आपको जो दिखता है आपके आजू बाजू में, उसको मार्क कर दो कि यस दैट इज माई गोल करके इन योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. जस्ट सी दैट थिंग, वो मार्क करो उसको कि दैट इज माई गोल. और उसको एंड अगर सबने वो देख लिया है तो कम बैक टू योर नॉर्मल स्टेट नाउ. ठीक है.
Sorry, can you repeat? I missed it.
What you missed out?
Starting, what you said about the.
Yeah, you guys, this is the last time I'm telling it. जो है सुन लो, नहीं है मत सुनो. The thing is that you need to think about one goal which you want to achieve in your life in next 3 months. A small goal.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
ठीक है. Now you have to mark one space specially. एक स्पेस आपके आजू बाजू का टाइल्स वाइल्स कुछ देखो और उसको वो गोल है जैसा समझ के उसको मार्क करो. Great. Everyone is ready with the game now?
Yes.
Cool. So मैं जब A बोलूंगा तो you have to put A बोल के लेफ्ट हैंड उठाना है. B बोलूंगा. Now initially I will go very slow with you guys for next 3 minutes. चलो let's start it. A. और मेरे हाथ को मत देखो, मैं हाथ ऐसे ही बता रहा हूँ. B. वो हाथ नीचे रख लेने का आपका. एक हाथ अगर सपोज A के लिए लेफ्ट उठाया है एंड जब आप B कर रहे हो तो राइट उठाओगे तो हाथ ये वाला नीचे जाएगा आपका, और जब टी आता है टुगेदर मतलब दोनों हाथ आएंगे आपके। I will go very slow now because this is the very first time your brain will get super confused now. ठीक है, चलो A, B, C, D, E, both hands, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Are you guys getting into loop?
Yes.
Are you guys getting into flow? Anyone
Yes.
who's over here जो नहीं आ रहा है flow में?
Good.
Cool. So now we will do this more faster now. ठीक है? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U.
Everybody is repeating.
All right. Getting
Do
mute
one
करो.
thing, Saurabh. Yes, mute.
चलो,
You
ठीक है.
just repeat. Huh?
Everyone get muted, guys. You can mute yourself, everyone.
Just a minute.
सभी mute कर लो अपने आप को. Cool. Everyone has muted themselves, right? ठीक है. Good. So we will do it fast. कोई भी अभी अपने आप को unmute नहीं करेगा, guys. I don't want to break anyone's flow because if flow break हो गया ना तो again I have to start it. फिर बहुत टाइम हो जाएगा आप लोग का. तो make sure कोई भी अपने आप को unmute नहीं करे. ठीक है? All right. चलो, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, D, U, V, W, X, Y. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Fast, fast, guys. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. नीरज जी करो. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Guys, do it seriously. सब ऐसे हाथ खड़ के बैठे. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, L, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Anita ji, do. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Neeraj ji, do. Y, X, Y, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G F E D C B A Y X W U V T S R Q P O N तिवारी जी करो M L K J I H G H E D C B A F K P T V G L Q V C H M R W D I N S X E J O T Y A F K T U नीरज जी डो B G L Q V C H M R W D I N S X E J O T Y Y T O J E D I N S X W R M T C B G L Q V U P K F A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y. Fast, fast. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. फास्ट फास्ट उज्ज्वला जी रेज योर हैंड्स जस्ट डोंट डू दिस स्विमिंग नहीं कर रहे अपन ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच आई जे के एल एम एन ओ पी क्यू आर एस टी यू वी डब्ल्यू एक्स वाई वाई एक्स डब्ल्यू यू वी टी S R Q P O N M L K J I H G H E D C B A. Now fast guys, you are breaking your states. आप लोग flow state में नहीं आओगे ऐसे अगर आप game रोक दोगे तो you will not come into flow states. You need to continuously do. भले गलत कर रहे हो but then continuously do. Now last time I will do A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Y X W U V T S R Q P O N M L K J I H G F E D C B A. Now I will give random alphabets. F M Q R X Y U A, M, A, Y, U, R, N, E, E, R, A, J, N, A, H, E, E, D, A, N, I, T, A, M, A, Y, R, A, S, H, M, I, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Alright, now guys, you have to sit down fast. जो है आंख बंद करो. Close your eyes, everyone, and think about that goal. How you're feeling about that goal now. And once you have seen the goal, you can open your eyes whenever you feel like. I want to know from everyone in the chat box, how many of you felt really that kind of kick or high when you did this exercise? And before आपने जो goal देखा था, and how many of you really felt more motivated to do that, achieve that goal after doing this exercise? Just type in me if you did.
Me.
I felt a bit, to be honest, I felt a bit nauseous
Okay.
towards the end.
Acha.
And buzz, really my head was buzzing.
Right, I told you,
Good
because
buzz, not bad buzz,
the
but-
brain will get confused. This is the very first time you have done something like this, most probably. So the brain gets confused thinking, what is this happening karke? Great. I guess everyone has got a feeling of that kick, of a feeling of being in a high flow state. But then we did very good today, but then this was just 10% of what the exercise I really do in my live classes mein. I really make it really go to a very difficult levels, like wherein I tell people to एक हाथ उठाओ, दूसरा पैर उठाओ, फिर दूसरा पैर उठाओ, नीचे बैठो. It's very difficult. Then बाद में मैं उनसे बात भी करता हूँ, and I ask them questions also. 2 + 2 कितना होता है? जवाब दो. Then 4 - 1 कितना होता है? Multi. Then I ask him, January के बाद क्या आता है? ये 10 के बाद क्या आता है? Reverse order में Jan to Feb, December बोलो. So I keep on increasing the intensity of this game, and it takes them into a completely different zone, because it's a very tried and tested thing, and it's not my game. Again, it's not developed by me. Okay, so it's a very tried and tested game. It's basically called as alphabet game बोलते हैं इसको. So once you do this every day, you will always be in a flow state. And अगर कभी आपको लगता है आपके life में at any moment of time, like you are not into that state and you are very low, and you want to get pepped up very fast, you can do this exercise. And the exercise आप कभी भी कर सकते. You can just take a printout of this. I will share it if you guys want it. You can just take a printout of this and stick it to the wall of yours. And कभी भी करो. There's no specific time to do this exercise. कुछ भी चीज को लेके आपको मन में तनाव है, या you feel very low कि मेरा आज हस्बैंड के साथ अच्छा नहीं रिलेशन रहा, या मेरी वाइफ के साथ अच्छा नहीं था, या मेरा बिजनेस नहीं अच्छा हुआ, मेरे बच्चे के साथ झगड़ा हो गया. Just think about that very small goal which you really want to achieve that very moment of time, or within 1 month or 2 months, whatever it is, and do this exercise. You will find an instant shift in your full physiology, full mindset, and everything, guys.
We have to do this alphabetically or randomly, as in we need somebody else to say us the letters, or we do it ourselves.
You can do it ourselves, because for me, I stay alone here with my caretaker, so I do it myself. And I have different sheets. Like this is one of the sheets, because क्या होता है एक ही चीज को बार बार करते हैं ना, it gets patterned in neuro pathway बन जाता है brain में, so it becomes easy for me. Like now, if you might have seen, for me it was becoming very easy to do without much of errors in the exercise. So because I have done this hundreds of times, so I know A में ये उठाना है, B में ये, T में ये करना है. I know that. So what I keep on changing the alphabets for myself. मैं कुछ भी randomly किधर भी कुछ भी alphabet डालता हूँ. Then I again take a print out of it, and then I do it. So that way you can increase your brain का capacity, सोचने का, समझने का, again. And I keep on increasing different things उसमें. Then मैं मेरे caretaker को कभी बोलता हूँ कुछ भी मेरे को बकवास सवाल पूछ, कुछ भी जवाब पूछ, या गाना बजा और फिर उसमें मेरे को चिल्ला, then disturb कर मेरे को. So that is how it is. You get into that state, and it's a very fun exercise, guys. If you do it very seriously, you get into completely different zones. Since we are into virtual right now, I've not been able to give that 100% to you over here. But then I hope so कि I did little bit of justice to whatever like time you spent or you invested over here on this game. So anyone wants to share something about this game can open up their mic and talk.
I'll say I had I don't know what exactly I am really not clear what we were supposed to achieve. Like my goal for 3 months, because of a medical issue, I had targeted as I had to lose 2 kgs. So 3 months means 6 kgs down. So I focused on that. We did the game. The minute the eyes was closed, I just had a visual of having lost. That's why I'm sure you must have seen me laughing, because I was like,
Right.
oh shit, ye kaise ho gaya? And because the figure that I saw was, oh, I have lost it, because I need to
Right.
go to my doctor and I need to lose it because of my surgery. So it was like instant, and I opened my eyes and I looked. I was like, I was watching myself, or what is that pin that I was watching? So it was instant. So like now it's thrilling, and I'm going to go on that whatever he has said from tomorrow. Like I know I can do it now.
Right.
Like
So
it's
that
there. I
that
know I
is
can do
the
it.
power. That is the power of this game, basically, to get you into that zone wherein you can be in a flow state and you can achieve whatever you want to do in your life. It can be as
This
small as this, or it can be as big as buying a mansion. Also, you can do that. But then everything take times as per the need. So
correct.
that is what it is.
This is very nice.
Thank you. Cool. So, any doubts anyone has got, any clarification? Because that was the last thing for today. And that was the last game. If you want, we can play this game every day for next 10, like, the last 10 to 15 minutes. We can do this exercise
That'll
every
be
day
nice.
Yes.
for the
That'll
next.
be really nice.
All right, cool. So, kal se roz.
Sheets,
Yeah, that sheet I
sheets,
will share it with you guys if you want
change
it.
in sheets.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, already share it on group.
Acha,
मैंने
yes.
किया है share.
Every day pattern in sheet has to change. Then we'll
No,
enjoy it
as
more.
of now, I would not tell you to change it, Neeraj ji, because आप लोग अभी तक वो state में आए नहीं, honestly speaking. You have not yet reached even the 10% of that flow state.
Yeah,
अगर
you can manipulate the
या
when you
अभी
say
इनिशियली वी विल डू दिस ओनली. आप लोग को ये चीज का लूप में आने दो पहले थोड़ा. उसके बाद यू कैन मेक द चेंजेस इन द शीट्स अकॉर्डिंगली. या वी आर
You
डन विद
share the
दिस.
other sheets also then, Saurabh.
सॉरी,
Share the other sheets also, which
I
we
do-
can follow gradually.
आई डू इट ऑन माई राइटिंग करता हूँ मैं सर. मैं स्टेंसिल से खुद बनाता हूँ एंड देन आई
अच्छा, खुद
राइट
से
इट.
बना के करना
खुद
है.
से
हाँ,
करता है. या
हम लोग खुद से बना के करते हैं, खुद की स्टेट में
ये
खुद को
एक तो मैंने आप लोग को
ही करने
सैंपल के लिए दिया, लाइक आई गिव इट टू माय पार्टिसिपेंट्स एज अ
I thought
सैंपल.
that there are certain patterns that
नो देयर इज नो पैटर्न्स. लाइक आप
ऐसा
अभी
नहीं है ना?
लेफ्ट लिखा है तो उसके जगह आर लिख दो ए के नीचे, फिर टी
हाँ,
लिखा है
हाँ.
तो वाई
Got it, got
आर
it, got it.
कुछ भी लिख सकते
Randomly
हो आपके
कुछ भी.
हिसाब. या रैंडमली यू कैन राइट एनीथिंग.
Okay,
so
okay.
that every
Makes
time you
sense.
do that you have a different pattern. You it's not कि अपन को रट्टा
Yeah,
हो
yeah.
अभी ये जो पैटर्न है मेरे को honestly मेरे को रट्टा हो गया. इसके लिए आप लोग सोच रहे हो कि अरे मैं इतना अच्छे से क्यों कर रहा हूँ इतना फास्ट. Because that
So you are
neural
already in
path,
that flow, that's why.
absolutely, yeah, I am into that neural pathway
You have been
already.
doing it.
क्रिएट
Correct.
है मेरे मन में. तो लेफ्ट ये है, राइट है, फिर ये है, फिर ये, फिर मेरे को मालूम है ये दोनों
हाँ.
लास्ट में है. So I know that. So for you that was the
Right.
first time.
And how long do you do it for?
Till the time I don't feel I have got into that state. It can take
अच्छा.
as long
Okay.
as half an hour, 40 minutes also for me. At
Okay.
times, depending upon what is the goal or outcome I am trying to achieve.
mental ecstasy.
Right. Yeah, it's absolutely it's a mental ecstasy. Actually, इसको और proper तरीके इसके steps है, but then I don't know how to teach you that steps actually. इसको क्या होता है, अपन पहले एक zone बनाते हैं. If anyone can, yeah, Mayur ji, you can stand, right? आप खड़े होइए
Yeah.
और आपका मोबाइल को थोड़ा दूर रखिए.
One on one, actually.
Yeah, I
it's,
will show. Yeah, everyone can pin his video. Wait, I will pin his video so that everyone can see him big.
Okay.
दिख रहा है क्या?
Now it is.
Yeah, everyone can see him big, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So now इसमें सबसे first step आपको क्या करना पड़ता है, आपको एकदम पीछे जाने का है. पीछे जाइए और एक टाइल को कोई भी देखिए, नीचे आपके इधर जो भी टाइल है ना, ओके, एक टाइल के पीछे एक जगह रखिए. मतलब आपके आगे, सॉरी, आपके आगे एक टाइल रहना चाहिए और आप पीछे खड़े हो.
आगे एक टाइल और
हाँ, आपके पीछे आप जिधर खड़े हो ना उसके आगे सिर्फ एक टाइल रहना चाहिए.
हाँ.
नाउ अभी आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ वन आउटकम. एक आउटकम सोचो मन में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी मयूर जी ने सोच लिया एक आउटकम. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज दैट यू हैव टू टेक वन स्टेप एंड गेट इनटू दिस टाइल. एक स्टेप लीजिए और वो टाइल के अंदर आइए. बस एक ही स्टेप. वो टाइल में आप आ गए. क्लोज योर आईज एंड अगेन थिंक ऑफ दिस आउटकम इन अ बेटर मैनर, कि आप ये आउटकम को कैसे अचीव कर सकते हो. ग्रेट. एंड जैसे ये अचीव हो गया आउटकम आपके मन में, यू हैव टू टेक वन स्टेप बैक, पीछे जाओ, and you have to break the state. Okay, now just walk, do any kind of activities to break that state. फ्लो का जो आपके मन में स्टेट है, कुछ भी करो, वॉक करो, एक्सरसाइज, स्ट्रेचिंग करो, हाथ ऐसे करो, कुछ भी एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो आप बेसिकली फॉर 2 minutes और सो. ठीक है. नाउ once you have broken that state and that is not in your mind now, it should not be consciously, आपको याद नहीं रहना चाहिए आपने क्या स्टेट पे गए. Now you have to come back and start doing this exercise. ठीक है. Once you do this exercise for first 2-3 minutes, ideally you should go very slow. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
Okay.
Then increase the speed little bit. Then increase it more. Then go नीचे से ऊपर. फिर go ऊपर से नीचे. Okay. Once you do this for at least 20 to 25 minutes, it's a tiring exercise. Basically आपका weight loss ऐसे हो जाएगा. आप अगर ये एक्सरसाइज रोज करोगे तो सीरियसली थक जाते हैं एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद. क्योंकि तो जैसे आपका वो एक्सरसाइज होता है एंड यू फील यू हैव गॉट इनटू दैट जोन, जैसे एक्सटेसी जो नशा बोलते हैं, व्हाट यू हैव टू गो डू इज दैट यू हैव टू अगेन गो बैक मयूर जी इनटू द सेम स्पॉट जिसमें आप पहले खड़े हुए थे, चूज किया था वो स्पॉट को. एंड वो स्पॉट में जाके यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज एंड स्टैंड स्ट्रेट. You will find yourself waving like this, like this, like this, because that is the state you are into right now, and you will get all the kind of positive thoughts which will help you to achieve that state.
Oh, okay.
Clear?
Sounds great.
So this is the
Clear.
this is the way exactly
Sounds good.
the exercise needs to be done. So from tomorrow we will do the same step ऐसे ही सब लोग के साथ.
Sure.
And in the meantime, since it's already been shared सबके साथ, you can do this exercise at home. 1-2 बार practice कर लो आप लोग. I am a very bad teacher. अगर ज्यादा अच्छा कर लिया तो मैं कल दूसरा शीट दे दूंगा आप लोग को, तो इतना भी मत कर लेना. ठीक है. So you can just practice this and then we will do this tomorrow.
Marijuana effect without marijuana.
Yeah, absolutely. एकदम free में. No drug cartels over here. All natural resources, we have all the resources with us in our mind. You don't need such kind of you don't need such kind of things to get that kind of kick.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So tomorrow what I will do is that if I find that you are getting into state very easily, I will tell you to raise your hands and legs and everything. Then I will make it a little difficult for you. So मजा आता है. This
Okay.
it will really it's like fun thing. And if you
Put
take
it
it
in a standing position, it will be,
yeah,
more
kal we
good.
will do standing में. चलो everyone, we will do this in standing from tomorrow for the
Standing
next
at the-
4-5 days जितने भी अपने बाकी रह गए. We will do in standing position exactly how I do it with my participants ऐसा. And you really will find yourself getting into the state every day. And ये morning में भी क्या करो guys, आप लोग जब उठते हो ना morning में, give 5 minutes 10 minutes for this. See your day how it goes. End में तो करो, because this will give you a very peaceful sleep. Now when you go to sleep now, you will find yourself into a much more faster sleep आएगी आपको भी.
We'll surely get branded at home,
tell your family members to do. They will also enjoy.
They need to be in the same category, else we'll be you'll be unique.
Absolutely, everyone needs to be in a flow state. So just imagine अगर full family आपका चारों पांचों members flow state में है, so what kind of energy and what kind of vibration that house is going to be in.
Right.
It is going to be in completely different thing. You
Absolutely.
never can imagine also that.
So morning with family and evening, you can do alone.
Correct. Yeah. So you can try with your family members. Tell them, चलो हम करते करके. It's a special me time of your family के साथ भी. You will create a kind of bonding with them in that way. Once you start playing with them and all. ऐसा.
Energy raising exercise.
Good. Good.
Sign off.
That was
you
very
so
nice.
much.
All right.
Thank you
so much.
That was very nice today.
Thank you very
tomorrow.
much.
Yeah, welcome. We'll meet up tomorrow. God bless you, everyone. Take care.
Thanks a
And
lot.
Thank you so much.
अपन कल. चलो, bye.
Bye.
Take care. See ya.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye.
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 Bye.